Autonomous Databases Select AI makes it easy for you to query data that's in Autonomous Database or in knowledge bases using natural language. Here we're using a chat app that was developed with Apex. You can download this app, extend the app, use it to your heart's content. The process starts by selecting the subject areas that you'd like to query. So here we have our movie stream analytics, but we'd also like to query our HR data, our support site. This is actually a support site that's hosted on Google Cloud. And then we also have some presentations that were created on Autonomous Database, our ADB presentation library. These last two subject areas are knowledge bases that were vectorized, and we're going to be using Select AI and AI vector search to get the answers. So let's start asking some questions. What are our top 10 movies based on total streams? This is going to be using natural language to SQL to analyze where our subject here is we're a movie streaming company, and we're going to be looking at, well, what are our streams? What are customers streaming on our site? Here you can see there, our top site is Avengers: The Endgame, Captain Marvel, etc. Well, let's ask a question from a different domain. What are our total salaries by department? That's actually going to be querying HR data. And you could see our total salaries across these different domains. Well, we have on our website that's being used by support analysts information about how to solve streaming issues that people run into. I can't hear anything from my streaming device. So this is going to be using the website that was vectorized, and we can query that knowledge base. And here you can see all the steps that you can go through to try to figure out what's going on with your sound. And also has the sources which point back to your site. This is actually using Oracle Object Store, not Google Cloud. Sorry about that. And then the last thing is we have our ADB presentation, our presentation library. What are the top 3 value propositions for Autonomous Database? And you can see from our presentation library that ADB has the best price performance, it lowers your costs, and it truly simplifies all aspects of data management. So how is this done? What is going on behind the scenes that allows us to ask questions across different subject areas? Here you can see the creation of an AI profile. In this case, it's looking at HR data that is coming from our HR schema. And in order to be able to differentiate between the different subject areas, whether it's the support site or the presentation library, you simply add a description for that profile. We then use AI to determine which is the right profile to use when we're trying to get answers to questions.